Hey guys, this video is how to cycle through the fonts on your AliExpress lightsaber, and also how to go into silent mode. So in order to cycle through the fonts, while the lightsaber is unlit, press and hold the button for 2 vibrations.
3.
See, it said the word 3, so now you're on Soundfont 3.
1.
Do it again, you're on 1.
2.
Do it again, you're on 2.
3.
3. Alright, so we've got a sound font, right? Now let's say you're practicing and you want to have the lightsaber lit, but you don't necessarily want to wake anyone else in the house. So you can go into silent mode, and what happens in silent mode, you press this button and hold it for 3 vibrations. And then you get a really long vibration, which indicates that you made the right selection. So now you start a lightsaber, but there is no noise. Except for the vibration noise. And then in order to undo that again, press and hold for 3 vibrations, and then it plays a sample noise from the font that is going to play when you start the lightsaber. See? It sounds like the sample. Well, that's all I got. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. I appreciate the help. It really comes in handy. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. May the Force be with you. Always love hearing from you guys. Take care.